Hi there. Greetings from Visco. Let us now see how to wear the Visco Baseball Finger Splint. Product code 0610. The Visco Baseball Finger Splint immobilizes the finger in the resting position and helps in a speedy recovery. It is used in case of finger fracture, tendon injury of the finger, and post-surgery of the finger. The baseball finger splint comes in universal size. One size fits all. Let us now see how to wear this product. Pass your finger through the splint, so that flat part of the splint comes over the bottom of your finger. Fix the splint so that it holds the finger tightly by adjusting its blocks. Make sure the splint is not too tight or too loose. Congratulations! You are now wearing the product correctly.